So in this video, I want to take you quickly through the CIA Ops N2Kbot. So the idea is this is a test to see whether we can get chatbots to work and how they work with, for example, the Microsoft Cloud information. So the way that you can go and have a play with it yourself is basically go to bit.ly/N2Kbot. Okay, when you do that, it will take you to this, what seems to be a bit of a blank page there. Now, down the bottom here is where we would type in the text. So the idea here is I would type in what is, for example, AIP, hit enter, and it would then come back and give me an answer as to what that is. You can see that that refers to something that is Azure Information Protection. And again, what is, for example, CAS. Right, and hit enter, and it should come back with, no match there. So let's try what is MCAS. See if that comes back with a better answer. So the idea here is that you can interact with the bot. It's not necessarily going to have the answer to every question. It's not like a search engine. It's really a question and answer pair. So have a look at it and again see what works, what doesn't work, and if you've got any suggestions, let me know. Now, the other thing that you can do if you want is you'll see that there's a link down the bottom here. So if you click this link, it will add the N2Kbot to your own Teams chat. So again, if we've clicked that, which I've already done, I've specified to add it to a specific team channel in a team. Now, you can also add it just as a private bot if you want into your private chat, but in this case, I've decided to send it into a team. So the way that we call the bot is we just go at and then the bot name, which is N2K, and then we would go in here and go, what is AIP? So same sort of question, and then the bot will then go away and will come back and give us an answer again. All right, so it's basically, it uses the same pairs of questions and answers. And the idea here is to, again, just experiment with it, understand it, see how the AI can be used. I would like to think that these sort of chatbots are very different from search. So search is going to give you lots and lots of results like a normal search engine. Chatbot's more about answering those very common questions that you see. So that could be largely around adoption. You know, what is OneDrive? What is things like Sway? We can build those in and allow our users to get up to speed in the adoption space, for example. But I'm all ears listening for what people would suggest. I can add more information, more question and answer pairs into this bot to make it more relevant. So again, if you do get a chance, I'd appreciate just going in and having a bit of a play. And the way that you get to that, again, is if you go to bit.ly/N2Kbot, and that will bring you up to that page. Okay, and then all you need to do is scroll down until you are able to type in your message there, and then you will type in what is Microsoft 365 Business Premium, for example. All right, hit enter, and then hopefully that will give you an answer. So if there's anything in there that you feel makes sense to be in there, remember it's not a search engine. It's really designed, I suppose, as an introductory, but answering very common questions for people in an automated way. So have a think about it, and again, please don't hesitate to contact me with your thoughts, your suggestions, and look forward to an upcoming video. I'll actually show you how to go in and create this. It's quite simple and easy to do. But for now, please go and have a play with it and let me know what you think.